Today we will be doing an eyebrow tutorial without any type of eyebrow gel or any expensive equipment. I will be using this black shade from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and the brush I am using, it's a liner brush which I got with La Femme gel eyeliner. You can also use this type of eyebrow brush for drawing your eyebrow. That's work well. For drawing eyebrow, you need to just draw the shape of the eyebrow, then fill in the gaps in between the eyebrow, then brush it and conceal it, then it's ready. If you want an insta eyebrow or really dark eyebrow, you can use more product. I don't like really bold eyebrow, so I am just using a little bit product. If you want brown eyebrow, you can use brown eyeshadow for that. Okay, first I have used a spoolie to brush my eyebrow. Then with using the brush, I will be drawing the shape of my eyebrow. Then I will fill all the gaps in between. I won't be using any excess product on the beginning of the eyebrow. Just use whatever that's left on the brush. Then use a spoolie to brush everything together. It gives a really smooth blended look. Then I will be using a concealer to correct every mistake. It really sharpens the eyebrow. Here I am using Eyebrow Pro Concealer in shade Natural. I am using a flat eyeshadow brush to draw the shape of my eyebrow. I will repeat the process on my other eyebrow also. Then I will use a beauty blender to blend the concealer. You can also use your finger. As you can see, I am not dabbing the beauty blender, I am kind of dragging it. Then I will use W7 Banana Dream Loose Powder to set the concealer around my eyebrow. You can also leave it like that, but I like setting it. And now your eyebrow is ready. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel or like my video.